Hit that subscribe button for more technology videos and click on bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Realme launched two new phones in India, Realme Narzo 10 and Narzo 10A. Narzo 10 has 6.5-inch HD plus display with water drop notch. It is powered by MediaTek G80 processor. It has quad camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor. It has 16 megapixel front camera. It has fingerprint sensor at the back and it also supports dual 4G and it also has 3.5mm headphone jack with a battery capacity of 5000 mAh and with 18-watt fast charging support. It comes in two colors, that white and that green. It comes in only single variant, that is 4GB RAM and 128GB internal storage at a price of 11,999. Realme Narzo 10A has 6.5-inch HD plus display with water drop notch. It is powered by Helio G70 SoC with a triple camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, 2 megapixel macro camera, and it has 5 megapixel front camera. It supports dual OTE. It has fingerprint sensor and it also has 3.5 headphone jack. It has 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt fast charging support. It comes in two colors, that is so blue and so white. It also comes in only one variant, that is 3GB RAM, 32GB internal storage at a price of 8,499 rupees. Vivo V19 has 6.44-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with dual punch hole camera. It is powered by Snapdragon 712 SoC. It has quad camera setup at the back with 48 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel depth camera, and it has front dual camera setup with 32 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and it has 4500 mAh battery and it will support 33-watt fast charging. It comes in two colors, silver and black. It comes in two variants, that is 8GB RAM 128GB and 8GB RAM 256GB. The price of 8GB RAM 128GB model is 27,990 and the price of 8GB RAM 256GB is 31,990. Poco F2 has 6.67 inches Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. It comes with Snapdragon 865 processor. It has quad camera setup at the back with 64 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel telephoto macro camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. It has front pop-up camera with 20 megapixel. It has 4700 mAh battery and it will support 30-watt fast charging, and it also has in-display fingerprint sensor, and it comes in two variants, 6GB RAM 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage. It comes in four colors, neon blue, phantom white, electric purple, cyber grey. Base variant 6GB RAM 128GB price is 40,900 rupees and 8GB RAM 256GB price is 49,000 rupees. Qualcomm has announced a new 5G processor, Snapdragon 768G, with 15% faster CPU and GPU performance compared to 768G. Redmi K30 Speed Edition will be the first phone to come with Snapdragon 768G SoC. OnePlus may launch true wireless earphones in July in the launch event of OnePlus Z. The price of Google Pixel 4a will be less than the Apple SE 2020. 128GB variant will cost around $349 and 64GB variant will cost just $299. Realme scheduled an event in China on 25th May where they are launching Realme TV and Realme Watch and Realme new 5G phone. Motorola will launch Motorola Edge Plus in India on May 19th at 12 pm. Vivo will announce another 5G phone, Vivo X50 5G, on June 1st in China. MediaTek will launch another 5G processor called MediaTek Dimensity 820, which is successor to the Dimensity 800 with a clock speed of 2.6 GHz. Oppo launched Enco W31 and Enco M31 wireless Bluetooth headphones in India. and the price of Enco W31 is 3,999. It will be available in two colors, black and white, and Oppo Enco N31 is priced at 1,999. It is available in two colors, black and green. iQOO started teasing their iQOO Z1 phone, which is going to launch on May 19th in China. Some of the specifications are: it is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus S4C with 5G support, and it has 144Hz refresh rate. It comes with 44-watt fast charging support, and it has 4500 mAh battery. The price of 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant is 26,500 rupees. Samsung Gear S3 and Gear Active are receiving a new update. This update brings the Bixby and some UI improvements. A new processor from Samsung, Exynos 880, leaks suggest that it is similar to Exynos 980 SoC. It has two ARM Cortex A77 cores clocked at 2 GHz and 6 ARM Cortex A55 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz and Mali G76 GPU. According to the rumors, Samsung is working on 50 megapixel camera sensor. Huawei launched Huawei Watch GT2e in India. Some of the specifications are: it has 1.39-inch AMOLED touch display. It is powered by Huawei Kirin A1 chip. It has Bluetooth 5.1 support. It has Bluetooth calling support. It has 5 ATM water resistant up to 50 meters. And also it has 4GB storage for music. It has 15 professional workout modes, heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and Huawei True Relax all-day workout tracking, and it has 14 days battery life. It is priced in India at 11,990 rupees. It comes in graphite black, lava red, mint green, and icy white colors. According to the rumors, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 may have use Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Max, which is launched in the December 2019. This fingerprint sensor has a significant larger workable area and even allows the users to authenticate with two fingers, such as using both